Hi guys, you and Thomas here today. I'm going to be showing you how to use the amazing punk powder. But first, if I may, a couple of stats. This is amazing. Let me tell you, it may look little, but it packs a mighty punch. Each sachet inside here will produce 1 litre of cleaner. That's enough for your bottle for life. The packaging, well, it uses 92% less materials. No plastic, yes, no plastic. I can tell you, even the printing, writing, that's vegetable oil. There's no ink. This is fully biodegradable. Put it in your pocket, take it where you want. You don't even have to take water. This works with rainwater. It's magic. Right, first of all, get your sachet out. There we go. I've grabbed myself a pair of scissors. Simply cut along the dotted lines there. Now you can pour the sachet directly into your bottle for life, or the beauty is that packaging doubles up as a funnel. Here's one that's been made earlier. If you want to see how to do that, we have another how-to video online, check it out, but it's pretty simple. It's all self-explanatory. Next up, simply take off the trigger on your bottle for life. Gently rest the funnel in the top and pour away. So the sachet is in the bottle. The next step, simply fill it with water. Tap water is good, lukewarm water is good, but even better, the beauty of this product, you can use rainwater. We've got a rain butt outside, it's a warm day, perfect. Okay, the rainwater is in there, it's doing its thing, but we can help it. Put the trigger back on and give it a good old-fashioned shake. Okay, it's sorted. Punk powder is ready. Time to clean the bike. First up, look at the state of the bike. It needs a pre-rinse. Let's go to work. Okay, it's had a good pre-rinse. Bottle for life is connected. Let's get the cleaner going. Okay, so the punk powder is working its magic. I'll give it a helping hand with a brush. Just help agitate it a bit. Right, time for the fun bit, the rinse. Well, there you have it. Simple, punk powder. Not only does your bike look amazing, you've done your bit for the planet. For any more how-to videos, simply go to our website. Till next time, see you later.